I have been fasting whole month.
After nearly a month of Ramadan, students are going to break their fast together here at the EUR living room. So, what brought you here today?
I just came here because I haven't experienced Ramadan at all, and in where I come from, it's something that like the whole city comes to life, and I can't really see that anywhere in the city here, like the spirit of Ramadan.
The reason why he's here is because I told him to come.
I thought today was the last day of Ramadan, which I was wrong. As a Muslim myself, I was like, oh man, this is the night. This is the night to go all out, get with people, eat. But it wasn't. But I'm still here, and I want the free food.
The iftar itself is one of those like bonding moments, because most of the time you do it with your family or your friends, and I think it also contributes to that whole Ramadan spirit.
How has the fasting been going so far?
It was really doable, really easy.
I have been fasting whole month. It's been tough. I mean, there's some days where I'm like, maybe I should drink some water. You gotta persevere through these things.
If you experience it once, you really want more, right? So you experience this community feeling, and then I feel like, why wouldn't I want to do it?
What's your favorite food on the table?
They're almost finished now, but the dates were spectacular. And the falafel, I'm not going to say who cooked them, but they were really good.
Did you cook them?
I may have cooked them.
What is this? What is this treatment? Why is Nathan getting fed?
Well, I made some walnut stuffed dates, which is very in line with what we eat to break our fast in Iftar. So a bit of home.